So let's start this year with some football facts. First fact: football originated in China around 476 BCE. It is the most popular and the most played game in the earth. The maximum number of goals scored by one player in a single football match was 16. It was scored by Stephen Stanis of France, playing for racing club Delens in December 1942. Based on video evidence, one of the fastest ever scored goal was in 2.8 seconds by Ricardo Oliveira of Brazil in December 1998. Football goalies didn't have to wear different colored shirts for their teammates until 1913. Football players run an average of 9.65 kilometers during every game. The very first game of basketball was played with a soccer ball. The world's first football club was the English Sheffield Football Club. It was founded in 1857 by Colonel Nathaniel Creswick and Major William Priest, two British Army officers. European teams have reached every World Cup final except for the finals of 1930 and 1950. The highest scoring game was clocked 149 for no goal. State Olympic de Emre, a team from Madagascar, scored their own goal. They did it as a form of protest for the unfair decision by referee in the previous game. A Celestine Baba Yaro, Nigerian-born Chelsea player, injured his leg while celebrating his debut goal in a pre-season match, while Luigi Riva broke a spectator's arm with his powerful shot. The first black footballer was Arthur Wharton in the 1800s. Pele was the first person to call football the beautiful game. Only Americans and Canadians call football soccer. England came up with the word soccer. It's a shortened version of association football that was changed to ASOC football. This was changed to soccer. In 19th century England, it was popular to add the sound to shortened word. In 1964, a referee called during a football match in Peru caused a riot that killed over 300 people. In 1998, lightning killed an entire football team. The catastrophe occurred in Congo during a match between the villages of Benash Sadi and nearby Basangana. The ball used in professional football has remained exactly the same size and shape for 120 years, 28 inches in circumference. More than 80% of the world's footballs are manufactured in Pakistan. In 1978, Manchester United manager Sir Alex Ferguson was fired for swearing at a lady. So this is where our video ends. I hope you liked the first video in this channel of the year, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool videos, because another video is coming which would be very great and would make you speechless.